Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to add a bank account to the Cash App. So what you want to do is once you're on the homepage of the Cash App, down here in the bottom left-hand corner there's this little icon that looks like a bank. We're going to click on that. That takes us over to our cash balance area, and what we want to do is go down to the bottom and it says link bank with a little plus sign here. We want to click on that. And that brings us over to a page where it gives us the option to add a bank account using our debit card. Now you can do this by entering in your debit card number and going on to the next page, but if you don't want to use your debit card, or maybe you don't have a debit card, what you want to do is go down in the bottom, click where it says no card. And this is going to bring us over to a page that allows us to link our bank account using the username and password that are linked up to that particular bank. So what we want to do is go down and click where it says continue. And perhaps your bank account might show up on this list, and if you see your bank, just click on it. Otherwise, you can search for your bank in this area. And for me, I'm going to link my SoFi bank account. So I enter in SoFi here, and then it pops up in the drop-down area. So I'm going to click on where it says SoFi. But obviously for you, you're going to click the bank that you want to link. So maybe you have a Fifth Third Bank, a Chase Bank, etc. You're just going to click on that particular bank. And then once you have your bank selected, it's going to take you over to an area that you're going to enter in some login credentials. And these are going to be either the username and email as well as password that you use to log in to your online bank. So once you enter in that information, you click submit. And then it's going to send over your credentials, and as long as your username and password are correct, then it's going to take you over to an area where it may ask you to verify through a two-factor authentication. You're going to get a verification code sent either to a mobile number or an email address. Once you get that verification code, enter it in right here and then click answer. And then if everything worked properly, it's going to show your bank account here with how much money is in it, and then you can go ahead and click continue. And it says bank account was successfully linked, so then click done. And then once we go back to our cash balance page, we can see down here, instead of saying link a bank account or add a bank, it says linked account. So if we click on this, it's going to take us over to the accounts that we have linked to our Cash App, and we can see that I now have a bank account linked right here. I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how to link or add a bank account to your Cash App. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.